My name's Tom from 4x4 Mowing. I clear overgrown sections here in Christchurch and Canterbury. We do section maintenance, heavy duty and slope mowing and paddock topping. So the section we're on today is a slope section here at Westmoreland, Christchurch. It definitely has not been touched for quite a long time, and the owner of the section is looking to start tidying it up so they can get some surveying done, start laying some services and start designing their house. So they need a clean slate to sort it out so they can do what they need to do. As you can see, this is a steep section, which is perfect for me because I've got a big strong machine that not many people have here in this region. It can really tackle almost anything you put it through. The feedback I receive from clients is they're really surprised what I can get through, and they're delighted to see their section getting back to a state that they can work on. I love my job, just being outside and going around different parts of Canterbury, meeting new people, sorting out their sections and seeing how happy they are when it gets back under control. If you're in Christchurch or Canterbury and need a bit of hand on your land, sorting out some overgrown sections, you can find me on Google, 4x4 Mowing. Give me a call, have a chat, and we'll be able to give you an estimate and come out and look at your property.